Hello friends, welcome back. We are starting at the Dollar Tree here with these mason jars. Now I work with these all the time on my other YouTube channel, and I always have these lids left over, and that's what we're going to start with. We're going to use one of these leftover lids. We're also going to use some pipe cleaners or Chanel stems. We're going to use red and green ones. We're also going to use this golden glittery ribbon from Dollar Tree, but you can use anything you have at home. The scissors, a hole puncher, as well as the hot glue. And we're going to start by just, again, taking some of the red and the green ones out. And we're going to wrap the entire lid with it. Now, you can do this in any color. I just chose the red and the green. But if you did this in multiple colors, I think that'd be so pretty. And the key here, you just want to keep wrapping it around, making it kind of tight enough. And because it is wired, you don't need hot glue. So whenever you're done with this, you can always unwrap it and reuse the Chanel stems in any other project. I love the way it's going to turn out because it's alternating the colors. And if you add more than one color, just make sure that you alternate them in the pattern that you choose. So I'm just going to keep wrapping around, and I'm just going to keep shifting them. And this is what it should look like. All right, we're going to take the ribbon and we're going to just cut off two pieces, a larger one and a small one. I like to make my ribbons by looping them like an awareness ribbon, then scrunching it in the middle. I'm going to take more of the ribbon, fold it in half, and we're going to tie it around. That way it's going to be nice and matching. Cut off the excess, and this is what we're going to hot glue at the top. Then we're going to cut off the excess ribbon, just kind of making them even with an angled cut. And then with the remaining ribbon, I'm going to use the hole puncher, and I'm going to make little tiny circles with the same design. I'm going to do 4 of them, and this is what I'm going to use to actually add to the little tiny wreath. A little dab of hot glue goes a long way. And of course, you can also use regular tacky glue or white glue. And I'm just going to place them at the bottom. And this is just going to bring everything together. Now, you can add a ribbon to the top and make it an ornament. Or you can leave it just like this. I think it's gorgeous. The colors are so beautiful. Very traditional Christmas. But again, you can use any color combination you want. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments. For this next Christmas craft, I'm going to start with 2 construction paper, a green one and a brown one. We're also going to use these pom-poms. I get these at Amazon. They come in different sizes, and I love they have multiple colors. We're going to use my scissors, the hot glue, as well as a permanent marker. Oh, we're also going to use the star hole puncher and some yellow paper. Okay, so we're going to start by folding the paper long ways, because we're creating a Christmas tree and I want both sides to have the same shape. So once I have it folded, I'm just going to start hand drawing the tree shape from small to bigger at the bottom and making sure that I'm drawing them with the middle section where it needs to be. So then you want to cut off the side where it's open, and then we're going to have a Christmas tree that has both ends or both sides very close in design. All right, so then we're going to cut off a piece of the brown paper. And this is what we're going to use to create the stem of the tree. Now, you can add this tree to a poster board or cardboard and make it a little sturdier. It's up to you. Now, we're going to take the marker and we're just going to start writing the numbers from 1 to 25 from the top all the way to the bottom. Just make sure you kind of stagger them evenly so that you have enough numbers to go all the way to the bottom, because we are creating a countdown to Christmas with this Christmas tree. So once I have all the numbers written down, now the key here, you just want to take the pom-poms and add them one by one every day as you're counting down. So once you have 25 days left, and then 24, 23, 22, so on and so forth. And just adding the pom-poms in different colors will fill up the tree with tons of decorations. At the end, you just want to use the star as your final one, and that way it's going to be Christmas is here and the star is on. What a beautiful and fun craft you can enjoy all Christmas season. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments. For this next Christmas craft, we're going to start with some poster board. Any size is fine. We're creating a greeting card. We're going to use some brown paint as well as red paint. We're also going to use a permanent marker. This is with the thin point. And we're going to cut what we need from the poster board so that we have the size of a greeting card that we need and want. We're going to fold it in half, and if any of the edges are not even, just trim it. That's exactly what I did just trimmed it, and that way we have a nice even card. Now, I saw this online and I just thought I have to make this because it looks so fun, and I think it'd be so fun to make with kids. All right, so we're going to take the brown paint, add it to a page, and we're going to dip our thumb, and we're just going to create these little shapes just like this. We're creating little reindeers. Now, if you need to dip it again and make them larger, you can. Then we're going to dip again the thumb, and we're going to create the similar shape but smaller on the top. Just like that. And here I'm just making the bottom one just a little larger. So easy. Then I'm going to take the red paint and the back side of the paintbrush, and we're just going to add little noses. So these are going to mimic what will look like little Rudolphs. And then we're going to take the permanent marker and we're going to create little antlers and legs and tails. How adorable are these looking? Oh my word. Okay, you can leave it like this, or you can add a Merry Christmas or Feliz Navidad or Happy Holidays, whatever you want. I'm going to add Merry Christmas with a red marker, and then we're going to use red and green markers to create little hollies for the bottom. Now, this green that I first chose was just a little too yellowish, so then I just changed it to a darker green, and that way it's just going to look nice and festive. And we're just about done with this one. I love how this turned out. What a great inspiration I saw online. You can write any message you want in the inside. I think the kids will have a blast making this one. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments. I have another video here for you with tons more of Christmas crafts inspiration. Check it out. I'll see you later and have fun crafting.